Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Young Blood by Noah Kahan on guitar. First, you will need to place a capo on the 4th fret of your instrument. The main chords for this song are G major, D major, E minor, C major, and D over F sharp. Focus on forming each chord clearly and practicing smooth transitions between them. This foundation is crucial for playing the song effectively. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A good starting point is a consistent down, down, up, down, up motion. To capture the song's feel, try to put a slight accent on the 2nd and 4th beats, mimicking a drum beat. Practice this pattern slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable with the rhythm. The capo is a vital tool for this song, placed on the 4th fret. This placement effectively raises the pitch of your open strings, allowing you to play the song using simpler open chord shapes like G, C, and D. Without the capo, you would need to play more complex bar chords. With the capo at the 4th fret, you are playing in the key of B major. To bring it all together, practice the song structure. The verse typically follows a G, D, E minor, C progression. The chorus then shifts to G, E minor, C, and D. Pay close attention to the original recording to understand the timing and feel of the chord changes. Start slowly, focusing on accuracy, and gradually build up your speed. Consistent practice will help you master Young Blood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.